don't know if you guys can tell, but like this is super, oh my God. Everyone here is going straight, so like I think we're good to do this. Right, I think so. And then you come up on this fence area pretty quick, so. Oh, guess there's a curb there.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah, that is not ideal. I almost just got hit by not one, but two different cars. They were just trying to cross right in front of me over there. I wish I was recording, but I wasn't. But like, what the f, man? It's the life of a motorcyclist, dude. Don't mind me, just gonna slide on in over here. Everyone here is going straight, so like, I think we're good to do this. Right, I think so. Oh, this guy's turning, nice. Off to an okay start. That's the first wheelie of the night. But yeah, guys, it is absolutely freezing. If you couldn't tell by the weather app on my phone, it's currently 39 degrees. That's absolutely horrific. But the way you work with it is I've got a long sleeve shirt on, my motorcycle jacket, and like a full-on ski jacket. So it pretty much blocks out most of the wind, not all of it. I get some like here in around my neck, but it does a pretty decent job, honestly. Guys, I'm gonna have to apologize in advance for the sniffling in this video, because there's gonna be a lot of it. I'm sorry. On second thought, since this is so backed up, I'm gonna go towards that hill climb area. But I actually found a little jump the other day, so I'll take you guys to see that. It surely is. All right, let's see if we can find this little hill climb spot. I think it's like right here. Right here, right? Woo! Oh, jeez. Alright, here we go. It's not super well lit, but they do have the lights lit up, or the words lit up. Yeah, I can see nothing. It's a bit of a problem. All right, oh yeah, guys, but here is the jump. A little step down and a little step up, basically. So you gotta hit it with a little speed, obviously. Back end was just up in the air with that. Haven't really jumped this thing like much, if at all. So I gotta get more used to it. And then you come up on this fence area pretty quick, so it's a little bit sketchy. Still fun though. I wonder if this could be a jump. Oh, guess there's a curb there. See, this right here is how you piss everyone off. Go right in here. It's pretty easy, honestly. Again, guys, I do not know the rules of the road. I am so sorry. I'm currently trying to figure them out. If anyone has any pointers, please let me know. This is, what I understand is the bike lane, right? I'm actually gonna get instant karma by running over nail or broken bumper is what actually is gonna happen, and everyone in their cars will be so happy about that. I mean, come on, you can't lie. If you had a bike, you would do the same thing. You would. You'd have to. It's a sin, honestly, not to. Hey, bicycle. Now the plan is just to getting used to sitting further back in the wheelie. That way the bike isn't as revved out. You can see I'm not riding quite as long wheelies, but the thing is I'm just getting myself accustomed to sitting further back, closer to like actual 12 o'clock. That way, in the long run, I'll be able to hold wheelies for much longer. Unlike that, see. about getting comfortable being that far back. It's one thing getting comfortable here, then here, and then it's a whole other thing getting comfortable here. So it's all about getting seat time. That's all it freaking is. How do you learn wheelies? That is the answer. Get seat time. That one definitely felt like I was leaning further. I can't speak. I'm sick. That one definitely felt like I was leaning further back, is what I was trying to say. It's all about repetition, back and forth, back and forth. Anyways, guys, we're currently at 593 subs, so if 7 of you could go ahead and text, email, Snapchat, whatever, 7 of your friends, just tell them to subscribe, that would help us towards 600, and that would be sick. Now, if all 593 of you could each do that, that would mean that we'd get to over 1,000, which would be the goal. You know, in a couple months here, ideally, I'm hoping to hit 1,000. I'll ride all the way through the thick of winter, if that's what it means to getting to 1,000, so hope you guys appreciate my commitment here. Almost made a tank slapper out of myself there. Alright, I think we need some new scenery for these wheelies. As helpful and nice as this hill is, it's probably getting pretty boring for you guys to watch me just attempt to wheelie up the same hill non-stop about 20,000 times, so here's where it gets cold again. Nose is running.
Alright guys, so it turns out the mic unfortunately came unplugged here at some point. It does get plugged in later on, but that's way towards the end of the video. Nevertheless, I'll go ahead and voice over some of these videos where I find necessary, but otherwise I'll leave you to watching some of the wheelies and exploring.
I guess we can just shred this wood together. I wish I could turn these lights off though, that way nobody would be able to see me. But, you know, what are we gonna do? We're gonna go in the woods anyways. Oh, that's a big ditch. Oh, it's so leafy I can't see anything. I'm definitely gonna hit a log and just eat here. Oh. Woo. Okay, here we are on my big log. The only thing I'm worried about is people seeing the headlight in the woods and that getting me in trouble, but like, what you gonna do? I don't know if you guys can tell, but like this is...
Yeah, so this was sort of a dum-dum moment for me, guys. The leaves were pretty much halfway up the side of the engine casing, and the bike was so hot, you can see the smoke burning there, that it probably would have caught fire, so it definitely was a good call to get out of there. I'll definitely go back here during the day to show just how deep those leaves were, though.
And it's probably going to overheat. Let's go make sure that I didn't just do that, that I didn't just start a fire, that is. Hope you guys can see this. That's why I was scared of hitting a freaking log and eating. That could be a fun hill climb to do in the daylight. But yeah, I'm also probably just gonna get attacked by a snake or some shit too. Or probably more likely to be a groundhog or a raccoon. Ta-da!
You can't really hear the audio on this one, but here I'm pretty much just talking about how using a hill is super helpful in learning wheelies. It's sort of a cheat code, you could say. Just makes you feel way more comfortable. You won't have to lean quite as far back. It's definitely been helpful for me, so definitely recommend that if you're sort of new and starting to learn wheelies. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Like I mentioned, 7 more subs will get us to that 600 subscriber number. So please like, comment, subscribe. Otherwise, I will catch you next time. Peace.